Hi guys, SaVlog here. Maybe the first video I take on this channel. Probably the first one, because it's the first snow in Germany. And we got 3 o'clock in the morning, so I'm in the middle of the street in the city center, because I wanted to show you not only the first snow, I just wanted to get some snowflakes as well, but they are tiny now, I don't think you can see them. But I wanted to show you the city center without the Christmas markets. Tiny tents are there, but not as usual. They're really cramped and doing a lot of stuff. But at the moment it's very, very beautiful with Christmas decoration and the lights and this new snow here in Germany. It's like 2 Celsius at the moment, so it's not too cold. But I'm more the summer guy. But I have the GoPro here as well for the normal view. It's really, really beautiful. Very nice. So I hope I get it with the GoPro as well, so you can see what I mean. Some Christmas tents where they get like wine, hot wine. I don't know. It's in the rest of the world if it's the same, but in Germany it's Glühwein. Yeah, there you can see. Can you see? No, it's Switzerland, right? It's Glühwein and rote Wurst, red sausage, and pasta as well. Okay, it's not that usual to see it without any people. I'm usually the summer guy, but snow is very beautiful because, as you can see, the lighting is very nice. I love it in the winter, the lighting, and the snow is make landscapes very, very beautiful, like this tree. Without it, it's really nice as well. But let's see how. Ooh, first snow. Can I? Oh, it's good snow. It's really good snow. You know, when I was a kid, that's really nice snow for a snowball. Oof. Oof. Hit it. As unusual, here's a lot of things going on. Here's security as well, usually, because there are a lot of things like that, and they need to make sure there's nobody in as well. They put on the ground like a floor, so it's not as right now. Rindenmulch in Deutsch. It's like wood. Oh, it's very slippery here. It's very slippery here. But as you can see behind me, there it is, and it's very, very beautiful. Here you can see some got the same idea as me. But if you're wondering why the tree is not lighten up all the way, it's because the people they screw around with the whoa, I got hit. Yeah, they screw around with the lightings around there, so they put it a little bit up. I will say COVID or the pandemic is not a great thing, something, but it's sometimes fascinating to see some places or world or something not so crowded as usual or empty, and it's really maybe once in a lifetime. It's so unusual that we are in this situation right now, so to see it like that, it's wow. Yes, one car drove through here, so man, I love when I'm the first one, because it's looking so nice. Like here, you can see there's no footprints, nothing. Yeah. First footprint. Yeah. So now we are on the second big tree of the city. And nice. It's really looking great. So, and this is the it's the court, of the city. It's in an old castle. It's really, really cool. As you can see, it's really, really beautiful here. So, very nice. Do you think the water is frozen? So it is a little bit frozen, but not as really, really frozen. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was my first video. I hope I get more to come. And I want to finish those videos with some learning for all of you and me. Because I'm learning at the moment Italian, because I'm half Italian and half German. And I want to improve my English skills, so that's why these videos released in English. So the word of the video is snow, der Schnee in German, and Neve in Italian. So get 3 languages, 3 different words. I'm going to move silently through that park. Just let the GoPro do the job, and see you in the next one.